Ladies and gentlemen, today we are making the world's best crispy, garlicky, paprika shrimp. It's gonna be a perfect recipe. Stick around to find out the whole recipe. So here I have the shrimp. These are peeled and these are the tail of shrimp. Okay, so the first step, we have 3 bowls here. We will put gram flour in one bowl. You can use all-purpose flour in there as well. In the second bowl, we will crack 3 eggs in there. The shells. I'm dropping the shells in the egg. So the shells are out. We're gonna whisk our eggs and we will add black seed oil in there. Just a tiny bit. This is the secret ingredient, guys. So we will mix the egg and the black seed oil. In the third pan, we will add regular breadcrumbs. Be generous with this amount. I mean, you have to add a little bit extra. Now the seasoning part, we will add the garlic powder in there, paprika in there, and we will add some garlic powder in there. Did I say garlic powder 2 times or 1 time? We have to add black pepper powder, paprika, and garlic powder. We will add some table salt in there as well. So this is the main coating, and now we will just mix everything up. So the mixing is done. Now guys, let's work on our seasoning part. So we will take a shrimp. So this is a shrimp. We will coat it with some gram flour. We will dip it in the egg. Take out the excess part and now just coat this shrimp. Okay, after coating the shrimp, we will just put it right on the side. So this time we will take 2 shrimp, coat it with the gram flour and put it in the egg. Make sure it covers all the way, and then both of them put it in your breadcrumbs. Cover it nicely. Make sure you put the breadcrumbs on every single part, and that's how it's gonna look. And now we will just place it right here on the side. So we are breading our shrimps. It's a very easy process, guys, and I can guarantee you the gram flour, the paprika, and the black seed oil in the egg, it's gonna give wonderful flavor to our shrimp. So you will get your hands, your fingers coated as well. I mean, if you guys want to use the gloves, you can use the gloves. Okay, so the last one. Alright guys, so all the coating is done, as you guys can see. Now if you have a fryer, you can put the fryer at 350 degree, and we will fry these guys for at least 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. But I'm frying it in the pan. So we will pick up the shrimp and we will place it just right there. So first guys, we will cook this much and then we will work on the second batch. As you guys can see, the color is forming up. So as I said, it's gonna be 1 minute, 1.5 minutes maximum. Okay, so it's been a minute. Now we will just put it right on the side. So now friends, we are working on our next batch. So So we will keep repeating this process until they all are done right here. Wow. So guys, this is our third batch, and these are the final pieces of our shrimp. So here you go, the second last and the last one. Alright guys, so this is our final batch which is cooking up. Now we're gonna make our homemade sauce. So for that you will take a hot sauce and you will add hot sauce, and to make it a little bit sweet I'm adding the jam in there. So you will take at least 2 spoons of jam. You can use any kind of jam. I'm using the marmalade. So we will add here the jam in the hot sauce, and now we will just mix this guy. And also we will add some sesame seed right in there. So once you dip your fried shrimp in there, you will get the sesame seed, the sweetness, the orangeness, and the spiciness all at once. So here you go, this is our sauce. Yum. Wow. So taking out the last batch, and then guys we will do the serving part. So here we will take the shrimps out in our serving plate, and rest of the family they can just get it from there. And guys, we will put some sauce right next to it. And here you go, our beautiful shrimp recipe is ready. So guys, it's time to take a bite. Here you go. We will dip it in our homemade sauce. Yum. Guys, thank you so much for watching this easy, simple shrimp, garlicky, paprika, and homemade fresh shrimp crispy recipe. Do subscribe the channel, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye now.